Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to show you how you can change the door handle. This is Innova 2017. This is Toyota Innova 2007. This is broken, you can see. This is a new handle I bought from Toyota original. You just remove this rubber cover and there is inside one Allen star bolt. Open this star screw. Now just push to back and take off. Now put the new one, then push to front side. Yes. Let's tighten the star screw. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. Let's meet in my next video. Hit the like button.